On problem number 3, select the solution or solutions of the following equation. Now, we have a quadratic equation. There are different ways of solving a quadratic equation. First, you should try to see if you can factor it. There's a leading coefficient, so it will be a challenge to complete the square. But you can also use the quadratic formula. But in this case, the easiest thing to do is to be able to try to factor it. And if you notice, your answer looks very nice and neat. They're whole numbers or fractions. So we should be able to factor it. First, make it equal to 0. I'm going to move my 18 to the left because say negative 18. So we have 5x squared plus 9x minus 18 is equal to 0. I'm going to go ahead and factor it. Double parenthesis. Factors of 5x squared will give me 5x and x. Factors of negative 18. It's either 9 times 2 or 18 times 1 or 6 times 3. Now, a lot of the times you can guide yourselves through the answers, and the only ones that I see are my 6 and 3s. Now, this is a negative, so they should have the same sign, but they need to add up to a positive 9. So therefore, this is a negative, so one negative, one positive. They need to add up to a positive 9. So I'm going to place my 3 here. And that will give me a 15. And I'm going to place my 6 in here. Let's see. That gives me a 15 and that gives me a 6. I'm going to make this a positive and that one a negative. Remember, that's a negative 18, so they should have different signs. If you multiply together, that gives you a positive 15x and minus 6x. That gives you the positive 9x that we need. From there, because they're multiplying and they're equal to 0, I can use my zero product property. So I can place my 5x minus 6 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. I know that at least one of them will have to be equal to 0. Move my 6 to the right because it's positive 6. Divide by 5 on both sides, so x equal to 6 over 5. Move my 3 to the right because say negative 3. So my answer will be letter E and letter A.